So today we are going to start something very interesting topic of science, which is called cleanliness. So let's start with what does cleanliness means. What does cleanliness mean? I'm not asking right now, I'm telling you. So cleanliness means keeping ourselves and our surroundings clean. So I want you to think for a minute that do you want your surroundings to be clean or not clean?
Yes.
Clean. Would you like to live in an area which is very, very clean, or you like to live in an area which is like clean place? Okay. So how do you think we ourselves we can keep ourselves very, very clean? How do you think? I want all of you to think for 2 seconds in your head that how can you keep yourself very, very clean? I want you to think for 2 seconds. Put all of your thinking finger. I want you to think. Okay. Yes, sir.
Bath every day.
Excellent. We should bath every day. Should we skip bathing?
No.
Should we skip bathing? Bathing means taking bath by using water, right? Is this the only way we can keep ourselves clean? No? Any other good, brilliant ideas in your head? I want answers from this side. Also put your hand. Yeah, stand. Brush all day or every day? Brush every day. How many times you should brush in a day?
2 times.
2 times. One before sleeping and one after getting up in the morning. So, and what about other ways? Only 2 ways. I'm looking for more wonderful ideas. Got it. Rub and scrub. Rub and scrub. That means it comes in bathing or you do it separately? Bathing. So that's again a good point that while taking bath, we can rub and we can scrub. So it will make our skin more clear and clean. Very nice, very nice. I want new brilliant ideas. What else we can do to keep ourselves clean? Lakshmi?
Wash our hands before eating.
We should always wash our hands before eating. Put your hands down. We should wash our hands before eating. And do we also wash our hands after eating? Or you should just, okay, let's do it like this. No. We should always clean our hands even after eating food. So we have already learned the importance of brushing, taking bath, and cleaning our hands before we eat. Yes. But let's just also go through few things which I've got. I want you to take one and pass the rest. Take one and pass the rest. Can you please give some more? You're just going to take one very, very quick and pass the rest. You shall take one. I want you to read it for 2 minutes. Okay. Yes, you're going to get it. Oh no, you pass it. Please get the extra ones back. Okay, I want all of you to read in your head. Do not make noise. Other classes are also studying it. Just 1 minute and you have to finish reading. Already done reading this handout. Now I have written all the points which we discussed. Now I am going to divide you in groups of 4 and we are going to do some very interesting activity which needs teamwork. So nobody is going to talk. Everybody in your smart questions by good faith. Are you all ready?
Oh yeah!
So okay, we are going to divide this part as team A, first 2 benches, second 2 benches as team B, this 3 benches as team C, and last 2 benches as team D. We already have our monitor sitting in that group. So I am going to give you already discussed why we should take bath every day, why we should cut our nails very short, and why we should brush every day, and why we should wash our hands before we eat and after we eat. Is that clear? Is that clear? Please give me a thumbs up if you're clear. Cool. Now, I'm going to give you chart papers and markers. Team A. Okay, pass it. Team B, Team A, Team C, and Team D. I want Nadeem to take over that team, Sarah and this team, Amit and this team, and Divya and this team. So all I want you to, please be quiet. All I want you to do is think all the points we have discussed and write it down, because we are going to take this chart paper and teach or just demonstrate to the other kids of other classes. Is that clear? Yes. Is that clear? How many of you are not clear? Not clear. Not clear? Ikra, we are going to make a chart paper in which you'll be allotted. Team A is going to write the importance. Why do we have to take bath every day? Second, team B is going to write why we should cut our nails every day. Why, team C? Are you ready? Team C, are you all ready? You have to write why we should brush our teeth every day. And team D, are you ready?
Oh yeah!
Why we need to wash our hands before we eat and after we finish eating. Is that clear?
Yes.
Is that clear? Okay, now I'm going to pass the markers. Divya, you have to do it, but you have to be very quick. Okay, don't waste time. All of you, we're just giving 5 minutes, and you have to in 5 minutes you have to finish. Be very quick and discuss. You can share your ideas to Saira. She will write down. Tell your ideas to her and she is going to write down for you. Work in a team. Work in a team. You to stand up, all the leaders one by one, read all your points, and then we are going to go in other class and say them. Divya, start.
It's coming.
Okay, let's do it again. Now I want one person, one monitor from each group to stand up and read your points, and then we can go to other class and read this and explain. Just keep in mind the point.
Brush your teeth every day. Brush your teeth every day. Keep your teeth clean. Brush your teeth 2 times. Smell will not come. Healthy gums.
Okay, so you will have healthy gums if you brush your teeth 2 times a day. Your teeth will be very clean and our gums will be very healthy. Right? Team D.
No diseases today.
What is your topic, Nadeem? Can you please say?
Importance of washing hands.
Importance of washing hands.
When we wash our hands are germ free. No diseases attack. We not fall sick. Healthy we will. Germs will not go inside.
Okay, so if you will wash your hands properly, your germs will not enter into your body. Very good. Yes, stomach, and you will not fall sick. Awesome. So team A leader, Sarah, read your points.
Taking bath is so important for us. We should take bath every day because many germs come on our body. When we bath every day, diseases will not catch us. When we bath, we should bath with soap and good water.
Awesome. Excellent. She has it done. Can everybody give her a clap because she has done it first. Stop. Okay, last team B. Come on. we will not get.
They are going to come and they are going to explain you something by the projector. So fingers on the lips, hold the hands and listen what they are saying. Hands, pay attention.
का यहाँ पे टाइम आने लगेगा दैट मींस शूटिंग हाँ
Can I can shoot?
हाँ
Of washing our hands. When we wash our hands are germs free. When we wash our hands, dirt will not go inside. No diseases attack. Means no, you will not fall sick. We not fall sick. Healthy we will. If we wash our hands, we will healthy. Germs will not go inside.
Next.
Why we should cut our nails? Cut your nails because when we play, that collects in the nails. When we play, that collects in the nails. We will not eat that. If we go to eat food, that goes to our stomach. Germs will not go in. Diseases will not catch us. We will not fall sick.
Next.
Taking bath is so important for us. We should take bath every day because many germs come on our body. That means we should bath every day, and when we don't bath, many germs will come on our body. When we bath every day, diseases will not catch us. When we bath, diseases don't catch us, and we will not fall sick. When we bath, we should bath with soap and good water. That means when we bath, put soap, rub and scrub and put water. If we brush our teeth every day, our teeth become very clean and smell will not come, and we have healthy gums. If we don't brush our teeth, our teeth become yellow, and our teeth will decay. We have healthy gums.
तो बोलना जब तेरे को स्टार्ट करना हो
Back foot straight, eyes on knee, hands down. So we have already seen a doctor coming in our class. Do you remember when my father came into class?
Yes!
So he spoke to you many times, a few things. So all I want you to do is just think for 2 seconds that when he came into class, what all he said. Just think for 2 seconds. So when he came, he told you what kind of a doctor he is. Some specialist, do you remember? Some specialist, heart specialist. And I told you at that time, what a heart specialist called? Heart specialist, who specially treats heart. Yes, Pradeep. Dil ke. Yes. But what do we call in other language? Dil ki bimari?
Cardiologist.
Cardiologist. Awesome. Cardiologist. So the doctors who treat specially to heart are called cardiologists. The doctors who treat specially to heart is called cardiologist. So I just want you to think and tell me few things which he told to you specially to keep ourselves clean. Any brilliant kids, smart answer. Smart kid, smart answer. Yes, Brijesh.
They told me cut nails every once in a week.
Cut nails once in a week. So what will happen, British?
If we don't cut nails, diseases will catch us very easily.
How diseases will catch you?
Nails under some potty is there, and
Okay. Some dirt is there.
some dirt is there. When we eat food, that goes in our body,
That goes in our stomach, and then what will happen? What will grow there?
and something will grow there, and we eat food. They eat our food.
Oh, they're called worms. They're called
Worms.
Excellent, excellent. Any brilliant ideas? Yes, ma'am.
Wash our hands.
Wash our hands. He told you to wash your hands after going from toilet
Anything.
and anything. After doing anything. Okay, so should we wash our hands before eating and after eating?
Yes.
Yes, right? Excellent. Any other brilliant smart ideas?
Wash our hands.
Wash our hair. Wash our hair. So that germs should not go inside. Excellent. Yes. Loud.
He tells brush your teeth every day
Otherwise, what will happen?
because the smell will come bad.
Smell will come back. And something else will happen. Black. Something will eat. What are they called? Decay. Cavity will come and they will decay your teeth. Yes, Shiv. Bath? What bath? Bath every day. So what will happen if you bath every day? Fresh. Awesome. Yes, Kotesh?
Wash your eyes every day.
Wash your eyes every day. Very, very nice. Very nice. Any other smart idea? Yes, Sarah.
Keeping ourselves clean, it is so good habit because diseases will not catch us. There are two types of germs, good germs and bad germs. Good germs fight for us and bad germs dirt our body. When we eat healthy food, good germs will also eat healthy food and they fight for us and win, and bad germs will die.
Awesome. Brilliant. Sit down, Sarah. Stop. Yes, Akash.
Wash our clothes.
Wash our clothes. Yes. If we have to keep our surrounding clean, we should always clean our clothes also. Excellent, Ashraf.
And wear neat clothes.
Wear neat clothes. Yes. Ajit.
Clean your tongue also.
Clean your tongue also. Any other thing? Yes, Ram.
Wash your hair because when we not wash your hair, lice and leaves is come as hair and they attack.
And what do we do then?
We scratch and skin got hurt.
Hot. Very nice. Yes, Karan.
Wash your
Wash
ears.
your ears. Very nice. Yes, Aftab.
Don't eat outside food because small insects sits on that and it became dirty.
Very nice. So we should not eat outside food because it's not at all healthy. And there are many insects and other animals sitting on them, and then it gets dirty. And if you eat, your stomach will get a lot of germs. They will grow there, and what will attack? Diseases. And then we fall sick. Very nice.
It's a long video, 6 minutes.
तो बस ये